Hey guys, we are back. What are we filming today? Oh yeah, hair. We're filming another hair video today. We're gonna do my hair right now together. What we're gonna be doing today is try and attempt the blowout look that everyone does using their expensive ass Dyson, which I don't have yet, but maybe I'll get it if I can justify it. But for now, we're gonna try and do our hair like the Dyson girlies. We're gonna try and turn this into the expensive fresh blowout kind of looks. I think I'm gonna use both a straightener and a curler for this, you know, probably straighten out the roots and maybe curl the end. I think that will give us the look that I'm trying to go for. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I decided to start with this, and this is not even the Revlon, by the way. It's just like probably some knockoff or something from Amazon, because I heard the Revlon plug points don't work here, so I don't want to risk it, so I just got something like it. But instead of going right off the bat with a straightener, I decided to use this because I feel like it'll give me that volume, while the straightener will just make my hair look super flat. And because I'm gonna use the blow brush, I kind of made my hair just a little bit damp, like not too much, so that it feels like 90% dry, not 100%, because that's how you would usually start a blowout. I'm not gonna be neat with this. I'm just like approximately sectioning off my hair. I'm just gonna start taking small sections like this, go off. Take another section, probably from here. Make sure there are no knots in there. And now for the top section. For this section, I'm gonna start blow drying upwards and away from my face so I can get that volume. To build my curls, I think I'm gonna go with a 1-inch curler so that the curls look loose but also have some definition. I'm just gonna take small strands, work with small sections, and just sort of curl the ends. Not too much, just like half hold it for like a couple of seconds. And do the same thing there. This is what my hair looks like right now. It's not perfect. It doesn't matter because we don't want the curls to be perfect. Now I'm just gonna quickly do a hairspray before separating them all out. Ugh, that smells so bad. Now for the fun part. Ooh, oh my god, that is so pretty. Just wanna run my fingers through it. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I honestly did not expect it to turn out this good, but yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often now. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Everything will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.